Hello student, welcome back class 7 chapter 17 Water, a life-giving liquid. Importance of water. Dear student, life on the earth cannot exist without water. More than 70% of human body is composed of water. The human body required 2 to 3 liter of water every day. Water help in digestion of food, removal of undigested food. It also help in regulating the body temperature. Just like human beings, plant, animal also need the water. There are many other importance of water also. It is essential for agriculture and domestic purpose like cooking, washing and cleaning. Water in dams is used to generate electricity. Water is also used in manufacture medicines and chemicals. Forms of water. Water exists in three forms: solid, liquid, and gases. These three states of water, dear student, are interchangeable. Interchangeable means वाटर की ये तीनों फॉर्म्स एक दूसरे में इंटरचेंज हो जाती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑन कूलिंग वाटर चेंज टू द आइस एट 0 डिग्री टेम्परेचर. अगर हम 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस से बिलो वाटर को कूल करते हैं तो लिक्विड चेंज इनटू सॉलिड. वाटर चेंजेस टू वेपर्स इज नोन एज इवेपोरेशन. अगर वाटर को हीट किया जाए तो इट विल इवेपोरेट एंड चेंज इनटू वेपर स्टेट और गैसियस फॉर्म. ऑन कूलिंग वाटर वेपर चेंज इनटू लिक्विड फॉर्म्स. अगर वाटर वेपर्स को हम कंडेंस करें, कूल करें, देन दे विल अगेन चेंज इनटू द लिक्विड फॉर्म. दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज कंडेंसेशन. Distribution of Earth's water. Through two-third part of our planet is covered with water. But dear student, only a small amount of available for our use. उसमें से सिर्फ थोड़ा सा ही परसेंटेज है जो हमारे लिए यूजेबल है, बिकॉज रेस्ट ऑफ द वाटर इज सॉल्टी. अबाउट 97% of water on the earth is salty and only 3% of water is fresh. All of this fresh water is not available for human use, as two-thirds of fresh water is frozen in the form of glaciers and it is present in the form of ice. The remaining fresh water is present as a groundwater, lakes and rivers. Water cycle. The circulation of water from earth to atmosphere and then from atmosphere the water again come on the earth in the form of rain is known as water cycle. How this happen? As you can see in the diagram, students, the water present on the earth's surface evaporates continuously. The rate of evaporation of water is increases due to heat of sunlight. The evaporated water, when reaches to the atmosphere, the cooler air condenses it into the droplets. The droplets collectively form the cloud. As you can see in the diagram, the cloud formation is taking place due to evaporation of water. When water clouds become heavy and cannot hold more water, the water droplets fall on the earth as rain. This is called precipitation. After falling on the earth, it again evaporates. This process repeat and repeat. This make a water cycle. Sources of water. The main source of water on the earth are rainwater, surface water and groundwater. Rainwater. The main source of natural water on the earth is rain. This is the purest form of water, dear student, but as rain falls on the earth, the rainwater get polluted with the dust, particle and some dissolved gases. Surface water, the water that collect on the surface of earth is called surface water. This include rivers, sea, oceans and lakes. Ocean and sea water has dissolved salt, so it is salty water and this condition is known as salinity. Dear student, in recent year, efforts are being made to remove salt from sea water and make it fit for drinking and other purposes. This process is called desalination. Groundwater. The water present below the earth's surface is called groundwater. Let's see the groundwater with the help of diagram. Dear students, the water is present below the earth's surface is known as groundwater. Rainwater penetrates through the ground and is stored over non-porous layer of the rocky bed. As you can see in the diagram, the process of seeping of water under the ground is called infiltration. This reservoir formed above the impervious layer of the rock, which is termed as aquifer. The area where the water fills the aquifer is called saturated zone. The upper layer of this zone is called water table. As you can see in the diagram, water table may be deep or shallow and may rise or fall depending on many factors. For example, heavy rain or melting of snow may cause the water table to rise, while heavy pumping of groundwater supply may cause the water table to fall. Hard water. Dear student, water has large concentration of minerals such as calcium and magnesium is known as hard water. And hard water is not good for drinking, not good for washing clothes because it does not make leather well. It is also not suitable for dyeing and photography as it causes the change in colors. Hard water is also not good for boilers because it corroded the metal. The hardness of water is of two types, temporary hardness and permanent hardness. What is the temporary hardness which can be removed? It is caused by the presence of bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium salts. The temporary hardness can be easily removed by boiling. हार्ड वाटर को जो टेम्परेरी हार्डनेस होती है उसको हम बॉइलिंग की हेल्प से रिमूव कर सकते हैं. कैसे? व्हेन द हार्ड वाटर इज बॉइल्ड, द सोलुबल बाइकार्बोनेट आर कन्वर्टेड टू इनसोलुबल कार्बोनेट which can be removed by filtration. Second type of hardness is permanent hardness. It is caused by the presence of chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. The permanent hardness of water can be removed by treating the water with washing soda. Scarcity of water. Clean and safe drinking water is scarce. The water scarcity is due to the lack of enough clean and safe water. Water scarcity occurs when there is an imbalance between the availability and demand for the water. The people who have safe and clean drinking water take it for granted and does not use it wisely. Let's discuss what are the various causes of scarcity of the water. Population growth. As the population increases, demand of water increases. Various uses of water and increase the standard living, further increasing the demand for the water in recent years. Next is wastage. Wastage of water is also a major concern for shortage of water. Overexploitation of groundwater. One of the biggest problems related to the groundwater shortage is the demand of water is more as compared to the amount of water that gets replenished naturally. Next cause is global warming. Global warming is responsible for water scarcity in the world. The increases in global temperature causes change in the seasons, which can again lead to decrease in rain that falls over the earth, causes water scarcity. Next is deforestation. Forests are cutting at the alarming rate, which result in decrease in rain, thereby affecting the groundwater. Water conservation. Dear students, water is a precious resource in order to make water easily available for future generation, we have to conserve it today. Let's discuss the some steps how we can conserve the water. Repair leaking taps immediately. Do not leave the water running from the taps while washing, brushing, or bathing. Next, dams and reservoirs should be constructed to control the floods. Water from industries should be recycled after proper treatment. Farmers should use better method of irrigation such as drip irrigation, sprinkle irrigation to save or to conserve water. Next is rainwater harvesting. Let's see it with the help of diagram. Rainwater harvesting. What do you mean by rainwater harvesting? It is the collecting of rainwater falling on the roof of buildings, in a trench below the ground, in huge buildings, and in small tanks in the houses and small buildings. As you can see in the diagram, students, this collected rainwater can be put to many uses such as washing car, washing clothes, watering plant, and so on. In this way, we can also conserve the rainwater. All these are the method to conserve the water. This is all about chapter 17. Have a nice day, students.